Welcome to Nutri Delights, where healthy eating meets delightful flavor. In this channel, we're all about making nutritious food exciting, delicious, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone looking to make healthier choices, or just love exploring tasty, wholesome meals, you're in the right place. We bring you the best of healthy recipes, nutrition tips, and everything you need to nourish your body from the inside out. Stay tuned, subscribe, and let's embark on this flavorful, healthy journey together. Are you worried about your kidney health? Did you know that 1 in 3 adults in the US is at risk for kidney disease? But don't worry. In this video, I'll reveal a simple, proven 3-day method to rejuvenate your kidneys naturally. Imagine regaining your energy, improving your overall health, and feeling like yourself again, all in just 3 days. Stick with me because this might just transform your life. Let's first understand why kidneys are essential. These fist-sized organs located just below your ribs contain over 1 million filtering units called nephrons. Every single day, your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood, yes, 50 gallons. Out of this, they produce about 1.5 liters of urine, ensuring your body stays free of toxins while maintaining the perfect balance of fluids and electrolytes. However, dehydration, poor diet, or insufficient care can lead to kidney strain, causing a dangerous buildup of waste in your body. Early signs of declining kidney function can be subtle: fatigue, swelling, or changes in energy levels. Left unchecked, these can lead to severe complications like kidney failure. Here's the good news: you can protect and revive your kidneys naturally. Let's dive into a proven 3-day method to give your kidneys the break they deserve. Before we get into the 3-day rejuvenation plan, here are the 4 critical factors for maintaining kidney health. Hydration. Drinking 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily helps your kidneys filter toxins efficiently. Without enough water, your blood thickens, forcing your kidneys to work harder, which can lead to stress and damage over time. Warmth. Your kidneys thrive in warmth. Cold weather can reduce blood flow, impeding their ability to filter waste. Keep your lower back warm, especially during colder months, to promote optimal kidney function. Balanced diet. A diet rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and herbal teas, reduces oxidative stress on your kidneys. Limit salt, sugar, and processed foods to avoid unnecessary strain. Regular exercise. Gentle activities like walking or yoga improve blood circulation, helping your kidneys work more effectively. Even 30 minutes of light movement daily can make a big difference. Now, let's get into the 3-day kidney rejuvenation plan. This method combines hydration, herbal remedies, and a few lifestyle tweaks. Day 1. Hydration and detox. 1. Start your day with a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. 1. Lemon contains citric acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and detoxifies your system. 2. Drink at least 2 liters of water throughout the day. 2. Add cucumber slices or mint leaves for added benefits. 3. Mid-morning, enjoy a cup of parsley tea. 3. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic, flushing toxins out of your kidneys. Day 2. Nourishing your kidneys. 1. Include antioxidant-rich foods like cranberries, blueberries, and red bell peppers in your meals. 1. These foods reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key contributors to kidney damage. 2. Midday, brew a cup of nettle tea. 2. This herb supports urine flow and reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. 3. End your day with a warm bath and a heating pad on your lower back to improve blood flow to your kidneys. Day 3. Strengthening and balancing. 1. Focus on protein balance. 1. Opt for plant-based proteins like lentils or tofu to reduce kidney strain. 2. Mid-afternoon, drink dandelion tea. 2. Known as a powerful detoxifier, dandelion promotes the elimination of excess fluids. 3. Practice gentle stretching or yoga in the evening to improve circulation and relax your body. By the end of these 3 days, you'll notice increased energy levels, reduced bloating, and a sense of overall well-being. To maintain healthy kidneys, incorporate these natural remedies into your daily routine. 1. Parsley tea detoxifies and reduces water retention. 2. Nettle leaf prevents urinary tract infections and reduces inflammation. 3. Dandelion root promotes fluid elimination and reduces bloating. 4. Garlic, its compound, allicin, reduces inflammation and combats oxidative stress. Dr. Clare, a renowned health educator, shares the story of a woman who turned her health around by following this method. Facing dialysis, she made simple yet powerful changes, drinking water, enjoying herbal teas, and incorporating light exercise. Within days, her swelling reduced, and her kidney function improved significantly. This story is proof that small, consistent habits can lead to life-changing results. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep your body balanced and healthy. By staying hydrated, eating kidney-friendly foods, and practicing these simple remedies, you can support their function and even reverse some damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Let's take control of our health together. Remember, your kidneys will thank you for it. As we've journeyed through these incredible insights today, one thing is clear: the choices we make shape our lives and the lives of those around us. Let this be your moment to take charge, to act, and to create a ripple effect of positivity and purpose. Remember, every small action leads to greater change. So, let's embrace this knowledge, apply it, and watch as the world around us transforms for the better. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on this empowering journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep reaching for greatness.